In this video, we are going to see how we can create the GIF images directly with ChatGPT using a simple prompt. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump right in. So for example, I want to create a GIF which is an image. So click on create image from here. And basically we will define the image. We will write here make 3-second GIF animated image of a dancing duck, looping style. And if you want, you can ask ChatGPT to improvise this prompt as well, and it will do the job for you. But let's quickly generate it. Let's see how it turns out to be. If you got the error, you can write a simple prompt. Like this. Or if you want to generate this kind of prompt, you can ask ChatGPT to resolve this error for you if it violates any guidelines. And this is my GIF image. Let's download this. And as you can see, it's a PNG image. Let's open it up and you can use it wherever you want. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.